Hi everyone. As driving instructors, we try and pass on good thoughts and good practice onto our pupils so they can stay safe throughout their driving life. There are people, however, on the road, other road users, who take exception to this. And although these situations don't happen that often, they do happen. And this is unfortunately what us driving instructors have got to deal with sometimes. Best way to describe it, because then it just gets you looking and reading the situation perfectly.
This is one of them. We used to.
No, look at the flow of the traffic. Can we move? Can we move? No, we're not going past the line. Correct. Yeah, that's it. Have a look at the flow of the traffic where the lorry is. At this point, I did put my hands up to say, what have we done? I did put the window down and I pointed towards the red traffic light. I did also put my hand to the head to gesture to think about it. Was this the correct action?
So, on my test, I would have to make this here.
Oh, wham your head. I said, just go because you're fucking stuck here all day.
Close that door.
What is it? Got a kid in the car.
Funny me.
With the flat in the way.
Stay here.
Yeah.
Creep forward now.
Yeah.
Keep to this left side of it. And go in behind this.
And
Yeah. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you're interested in the gear that I use for my videos, please have a look at the links below.